In this video, we're going to make a pizza. Go to Insert, Shapes, draw a circle, Shape Fill. Let's try that one. Take out the outline. Let's put a shape effect, a bevel. We'll go with this one. We're going to open up the Format Shape. And we're just going to add a little bit of extra crust to the edge. Like so. Now we're going to go close this. And just gonna we're gonna go into shapes again. Choose another circle. No outline. Shape fill. This is gonna be the sauce. And we're gonna say shape effects, soft edges. And that's the sauce. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna add some pepperoni and cheese and some green peppers. Take out the outline. Okay, that's going to be the cheese. I'm going to make the edges soft, like so. Now we're going to give it some transparency. Let's draw the pepperoni. Leave the edge on it. So that's on top. So we're going to say send backward, but before we do, I'm just going to make a copy of it. A whole bunch of them. Okay. Start putting the pepperoni everywhere. Need some more. But what we're going to do right now is I'm going to hit the shift key, and then with the left mouse button, I'm going to select these pepperonis. I think I have most of them, if not all of them. And I'm going to say send backward. And I'm going to see if this thing, okay, perfect. It covered most of them up. And now we're going to put our transparency just a little bit lighter so we can see those ones behind, like they're mixed in the cheese. And then these ones will go on top. And we have to make some more. Okay, and this cheese, I'm going to make that edge a little softer. Like that. Just so we see the pizza sauce. Other thing you can do, and I haven't tried it, is we can just to see what it does with the Shape Effects bevel, if that does anything. Yeah, something like that really makes them stand out. What we can do is we can just randomly select a few of them. Just give them that reflection. Like that. And green peppers, go shape, circle. We go no shape fill, no fill, shape outline. I'm going to make a green. I don't know how dark to make it. Let's just say this green. This is a fine one. It's going to become smaller. Let's do a test fit. Okay, and then if we put a bevel on there, of course. Okay, that's perfect. All right, so I'm just going to take that out. Now, make it bigger. And edit points, right click, edit points. I'm going to add some points. Okay. And I believe make it smoother. Not smoother, let's leave it as a corner point. Let's see if we can't give it some indentation to it. Like that. That's how peppers usually are. When you cut them open, they're like a square. This should be smooth. Yeah, it is. This one should be smooth. Maybe wider a little bit. Like that. Still want to maintain that square. Okay. Now, what we want to do is make it smaller. Like so. Let's check out this outline again. It's a little bit too thick. We'll leave it like that. Okay, maybe just make it smaller. We can do additional things to it. Okay, so we're going to say copy. Okay, let's assemble this. And these ones we're going to say send backward. Let's see if it says send to back. Okay, let's try bring forward. Okay, where did it go? It's not visible. I don't think it's behind the sauce. Okay, good to know. Bring forward. There, now you can see it. It's back there. And I should have did that with these other ones as well as a group. So let's just say move them over here so we don't lose them. Send backward. Send to back. And then bring forward, bring forward. Okay, perfect. Now you can see them here. Like so. And maybe this should be a little bit lighter. I don't know. Try. Like that. Now we're done with that. Let's assemble. Oops. I'm going to give a different color. Red pepper. Shape outline red. Yeah. Or orange. You can also do orange, but except we're going to make it kind of smaller. Different locate, different turn to it. I'm going to copy it. Some of them should be turned around. As you can see, this one, it's not realistic there. It should be all over the place. Like that. I want this one to be on top of the green peppers in some cases. So bring forward. Bring forward. It doesn't work, so bring to front. Okay. This one. Like there. Move it around. You don't need a lot. How much pepper should you have on a pizza? Let's make a different size. Like this one I'm going to send backward if we can. This one bring forward. This one bring forward. The green one. Bring forward. Okay, yes, I bring to front. Okay, these ones we don't need. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of cheese on top, mozzarella, shredded. I'm gonna choose this one. Take out the shape outline, shape fill, same thing, and make it smaller. Okay, a little bit smaller. So we're there. Copy. And there's gonna be a lot of them, so I'm just gonna go like that. Some of them I'm gonna turn around. Like so. A couple of them I'm gonna make either larger. A couple of them I'm gonna make smaller. And I'm gonna go here. 0.2. So now we just assemble them. Insert shape. Let's get another circle. Take out the outline. Change the fill color. Oops. Just added more transparency. And now when you put it over there, it just kind of gives it a little bit of like covering, if you will. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Just go. Just gives it more like the cheese is baked in there. Like this is without it. This is with it. So you can also change the crust. Just see, let's put a shape gradient. If you wanted to change it to lighter crust, you can do that. You can have a burnt crust. Sometimes that happens to pizzas, believe it or not. Like that. There you go. That's almost edible. And then I'm going to, of course, like every video, select objects. And then I go group, because otherwise when you move it, everything's gonna be all over the place. You can't move everything. This way, when you group everything, it's now one unit, one clip art. So now you can make this a little bit bigger if you wanted to, or you could just leave it like it was. Just gonna make it a tiny bit bigger. So I'm gonna use this as a thumbnail. Okay. There you go. There's your pizza. It's not perfectly circular. That's okay. That's it. Thanks for watching.